Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can create a filter in your spreadsheets on Google Sheets in 2026. So let us get started. So let me navigate to this example spreadsheet with that range of data. So what you want to do, guys, is highlight the cells with the data you would like to have included in the filter. And then navigate to data, select create a filter, and then you will see the filter here. Click into that drop-down menu and then choose a filter. For example, filter by condition, expand this. Then you may, for example, choose a condition like for example, is greater than, and so on and so forth. And then enter the value here. Let's go 6, for instance, and click into OK to apply the filter. And as you can see, now all cells from the selected range that are greater than this number I just entered, which is 6, have been filtered out, and the filter has been correctly applied. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.